Your front door is more than just an entryway. It's the first impression of your home, a safeguard for your family, and a barrier against the elements. But like any part of your house, doors don't last forever. If you live in Scott and are starting to wonder whether your door has seen better days, there are a few telltale signs that it's time for a replacement. Here are the top signs homeowners should look out for. Visible damage and wear over time. Doors are exposed to weather changes, heavy use, and natural aging. If your door shows cracks, dents, peeling paint, or warping, it may be doing more than hurting your home's curb appeal. It could also be compromising security and energy efficiency. Small scratches can be fixed, but if the damage is widespread, replacement is the smarter option. Drafts around the door. Have you ever felt a breeze when standing near your closed door? Drafts are a clear sign that your door is no longer sealing properly. In Scott, where hot summers and cold winters make indoor comfort essential, a drafty door can cause your energy bills to spike as your HVAC system works overtime. Replacing your old door with an energy-efficient model can save you money and make your home more comfortable year-round. Difficulty opening or closing. If your door sticks, scrapes the floor, or won't shut tightly, it may be due to swelling, warping, or a failing frame. While minor adjustments can sometimes help, persistent issues with opening and closing often mean the door has shifted out of alignment or the frame has deteriorated. A replacement ensures smooth operation and better security. Rising energy bills. Even if you don't notice obvious drafts, an old or poorly insulated door can contribute to higher utility costs. Modern doors are built with advanced insulation and weather stripping that keep outside air from sneaking in. If your energy bills have been steadily rising without another clear cause, your door might be the culprit. Water damage or mold. Moisture is a door's worst enemy. If you notice water stains, mold growth, or rot around your entryway, it's a strong indication that your door is no longer protecting your home effectively. In humid climates or during heavy rainstorms in Scott, a compromised door can allow water to seep inside, leading to structural issues and health concerns. Replacing it quickly helps prevent further damage. Outdated style. Sometimes, the problem isn't function but appearance. If your door looks outdated or no longer matches your home's design, a replacement can provide an instant boost to curb appeal. A new, stylish door can transform the look of your property, increase resale value, and make you proud every time you walk through it. Security concerns. Your door is your home's first line of defense. If it feels flimsy, has a loose lock, or doesn't close firmly, it's putting your household at risk. Modern doors come with stronger materials, reinforced frames, and advanced lock systems that provide greater peace of mind. If you've ever questioned your door's ability to keep your home secure, it's time to replace it. Conclusion. A door replacement might not always be top of mind, but it's an investment in safety, efficiency, and aesthetics. Whether you're dealing with drafts, visible damage, or simply want to refresh your home's look, replacing your door can make a world of difference. For homeowners in Scott, paying attention to these signs ensures your home remains comfortable, secure, and welcoming for years to come.